Students, now we discuss about the lecture that is a spherical aberration can be minimized by using two planar convex lenses separated by a distance. Let L1 and L2 be two planar convex lenses of focal lengths f1 and f2 separated by a distance small d as shown in figure. Let a ray of light AB parallel to the axis strikes on lens L1 at height h1 and suffers a deviation delta 1, so which direct towards meets along the axis at f1 dash, which is the second focal length of lens L1. The refracted ray BC strikes the lens L2 at height h2 and suffers a deviation. The emergent ray meets the axis at f dash, which is the second focal length of lens L2. So for minimum spherical aberration, that is delta 1 is equal to delta 2, so deviation delta is equal to h by f, height of the object by focal length of the lens. Here h1 by f1, so using this h1 by f1 is equal to h2 by f2. Here height of the object by focal length of the lens. Here height of the object by focal length of the lens. This equation can be written as h1 by h2 is equal to f1 by f2. This is equation 1. From similar triangles, triangle BL1 f1 dash and triangle CL2 f1 dash. Similar triangles from figure BL1 f1 dash and CL2 f1 dash is therefore BL1 by CL2 is equal to L1 f1 dash by L2 f1 dash here. So BL1 by CL2 means H1 by H2 by that is equal to L1 f1 dash by L2 f1 dash. So that is here. So the BL1 by CL2, that means H1 by H2 from figure. So this is L1 f1 dash is the focal length of the first lens, that is f1 by here L2 f1 dash from figure L1 dash f1 dash is equal to L1 L2 plus L2 f1 dash, that is from figure. So L1 f1 dash is equal to L1 L2 plus L2 f1 dash. So therefore h1 by h2 is equal to f1 by L1 f1 dash minus L1 L2 here. So L1 f1 dash is this represents the focal length of first lens. Therefore h1 by h2 is equal to f1 by, so this means f1 minus d. So L1 L2, that is d, separation between the two lenses. So from figure, so d is the separation between the two lenses, L1 L2. D is equal to L1 L2. D means separation between the two lenses. So this is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, so can be written as f1 by f2 is equal to f1 by f1 minus d. So now reciprocal to this, so f2 by f1 is equal to f1 minus d by f1. So f1 f1 denominators on both sides, denominator on both sides cancel. Therefore f2 is equal to f1 minus d. So from this, so d take this side, f2 take that side, therefore d is equal to f1 minus f2. So this is the condition for minimizing the spherical aberration. So the separation between the two lenses is equal to the difference of their focal lengths of the two lenses. The difference of two lenses, I'm so sorry, the focal length, the difference in focal length of two lenses must be equal to the separation between them. So in this case, the spherical aberration can be minimized. So thank you students Now see the answer from starting to ending. Thank you, students. Don't forget subscribe my channel.